Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you ever thought of making these small colorful stones at home? Don't worry, today in this video I am gonna show you how to make these beautiful small colorful stones. These beautiful small stones are used for many DIYs and also for decorations. You can make candle holders, garden markers and stone planters using these small stones. So before we start, make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. So first take around 2 tablespoons of water in a container and then add some paint. Here I am using purple paint. You can use any color. Add around 1 teaspoon of paint and mix well. If you want to make your stones more darker, you can add some more paint. First add 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and mix it using this colored water. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel. In between, if needed, you can add some more colored water and also some flour. When your dough becomes sticky, mix it with your hand. Dust some flour on your hand so that the flour does not stick on your hand. And now add around half teaspoon of oil and knead well by adding some more flour till your dough becomes non-stick and smooth. Place the plastic sheet on a surface and make small balls of your dough and place them on the sheet. As the stones are shapeless, you can give any shape or size to your stones. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. You can decorate your glass by sticking some stones on your glass. Let the stones dry for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, flip your stones upside down. Now let them dry for 10 to 12 hours. Our stones are ready. Remove the stones from the plastic sheet. Your beautiful and decorative glass is also ready. If you have learned something new from this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with 2 of your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get notified for every new DIY video. Time for the shout out.